With the words of Abraham Lincoln, I quote, "Ballot paper is more powerful than the bullets," I unquote. Honorable dignitaries and my respected fellow men, I am Shubh Rana and I have been specially traveling 900 kilometers from Bhopal to Panipat to discuss one nation, one election, paving the way for Viksit Bharat. So today, at first, I would like all of you to draw your attention to my single finger. What special does it contain? It has the blue ink. That blue ink which is applied when you go to cast vote. And this is very special because it is a matter of pride and it carries a feeling of nationalism. Definitely, when we are discussing about one nation, one election, it is very important that we talk about Viksit Bharat and how we personally contribute to this particular purpose only. Shouldn't you want that your children, your coming generations live in a developed nation? Yes, definitely yes. Then this is the way where we can make all the paths for this Viksit Bharat. At first, there are three main things. At first is a political governance. Don't you think political governance is the soul of the nation? Definitely yes. But when elections happens consequently, then this political governance gets hampered. For example, let's take the example of Bihar. In the coming months, we can see that Bihar Vidhan Sabha elections are around the corner, and when the dates were announced, model code of conduct would be imposed. And that model code of conduct would mean that within the 2 to 3 months, the government could not announce any policies. That means the work of the common people would be hampered. And definitely, I would like to bring you a data here. In the last 5 years, it is being shown that 800 days of the governance are completely hampered. Ladies and gentlemen, 800 days. Now just think what special could have these 800 days can do for our nation. And at second also, I would like to tell finances. We have the financial burden. At first, we think that we are the 5th largest economy in the world. We say that चीन और पाकिस्तान को भारत लालाक दिखाएगा. जी हाँ, but this financial burden is something which is hampering India's economy. So let's talk about the data first, because I will be speaking very factually here. The data says that, more than 60,000 crores, is the money which is used by the government to conduct elections. 60,000 crores, this is a big amount. And in the words of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, he have said that sarkarein आएंगी, sarkarein जाएंगी, लेकिन मेरा देश अमर रहना चाहिए, मेरे देश का लोकतंत्र अमर रहना चाहिए. This is what I stand for, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi also stands for. The voter turnout will tremendously increase. And when elections happen, the resources division also happen. 15 million local officials are deployed, be it the teachers, be it the CRPF, Jawans, and everything is at stakes. So definitely, one nation, one election is the key. And at the end of the discussion, I would like to say, Rashtra Prem Sarvopari hai. India needs one nation, one election. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.